Home renovation projects are often fun and exciting, but they also can be laborious, time-consuming, and expensive. Fortunately, with the advancement of technology, there's now an innovative process available to homeowners who want to redecorate their living space: virtual interior design. Virtual interior design, also known as edesign, is an online decorating service allowing clients to preview and visualize the design before purchasing or any construction takes place. In this episode, we'll be analyzing the pros and cons of virtual interior design, as well as how it works. Hi, I'm Sherry Douglas, and welcome to the Faith-Led Interior Design Show. Our Be Blessed verse for this episode is Joshua 1:9. Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. I'm praying this verse over my cousin who was recently diagnosed with cancer. My heart aches for all who have that horrible disease. I had breast cancer many years ago, and I'm so thankful for the years added to my life since then. So if I'm old, I'm happy. I'm thankful. You know what I mean. I pray for total healing and love over all who are sick. I have thankfulness for healing and for the Lord being with us wherever we go. How sweet is that? So real quick, I have a new book out. It's called How I Sell Homes Others Fail to Sell, and you can get it on my website at dcdouglasinteriors.com. I hope you enjoy it, and email if you have any questions. I'm in your corner, and I'm always here to help. Okay, so now today's episode, we're talking about virtual interior design. What is virtual interior design? Each designer or design company approaches virtual design differently. Not all design companies do virtual interior design, but many do. If you need your design work done from a distance, we've got you. So how my company, DC Douglas Interior Design, does virtual interior design, it goes like this. First, you fill out a questionnaire on our website, dcdouglasinteriors.com. That's D like David, C like Charles, douglasinteriors.com. And you go to the contact page. And that contact page, after you fill it out, immediately comes to us. That way we don't have to discuss all of that information over the phone. We'll already have that information and we can be more effective on a discovery call, which comes next. The discovery call is approximately 30 minutes and is really an initial consultation, and it's done by Zoom. You can tell us more about your ideas and dreams so far. After this call, you'll receive an email from us for the next steps based on our conversation about what each of us needs to do. You'll be asked to send pictures of your existing room, furnishings, and so forth. We will be looking at space planning, so you will need to give us the measurements of your space. If you do not have existing builder plans, then you would need to give us measurements of the room, and we'll show you how to do that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell so you are notified next time a new video is uploaded. Next, we'll make selections of furnishings based on the sizes and layout. We'll make the selections for the furniture, the colors, the lighting, usually, and accessories. And then this is presented to you in the form of a mood board. They're real pretty, so you can see how everything goes together. We'll get your approval, and then you can actually order directly from that mood board if there's anything on there that you want to order. Each of the furnishings specifies has a buying link if you choose to do that. And then the furniture would be shipped directly to your home, just like buying from any online store. And so that makes it a very easy process for you. And the final touch is we have a final consultation, and we would do that again by Zoom so that we can see once the furniture has come in, and we can give you some ideas for the final touches. And we love it when you send us after pictures of the final room. That is the most exciting part. One of the significant advantages of using virtual interior design is convenience. Unlike traditional interior design projects where clients need to meet with the designer multiple times, virtual interior design is much more accessible. Clients can communicate with designers through scheduled video calls or email, making it easier for busy homeowners to take control of the redecoration project without worrying about how to fit face-to-face meetings into their busy schedule. Much more convenient. Another significant advantage of virtual interior design is cost effectiveness. In addition to saving time, virtual interior design services are cheaper than traditional interior design. Traditional interior design agencies usually charge hourly rates and fees for the design consultation. In contrast, virtual interior design services charge fixed fees. Virtual interior design also offers unparalleled flexibility in design. With virtual interior design, clients can preview their furniture, colors, and furniture arrangements prior to buying. Some of the cons of using virtual interior design. Although virtual interior design may offer many advantages, it's important to weigh the disadvantages too. One of the significant drawbacks of virtual interior design is that it lacks the personal touch of traditional interior design. While virtual designers can create personalized plans based on the client's style and preferences, it may not be as detailed or nuanced as those created from face-to-face consultations with a traditional interior designer. Another disadvantage is that virtual interior design may not be suitable for complicated renovation projects that require construction work. While virtual design services can help visualize furniture arrangements and decor items, they may not be able to provide the insight into construction elements such as structural changes, built-in designs, plumbing, and electrical work. In conclusion, virtual interior design has revolutionized the way we approach home renovation projects. The benefits of virtual interior design are many, ranging from cost effectiveness to design flexibility and convenience. However, like any renovation projects, virtual interior design has its drawbacks too. It's essential to weigh both the pros and the cons of virtual interior design before committing to this innovative design approach. In the end, the right decision will depend on one's individual preferences, needs, and budget. Regardless of the approach chosen, there's no denying virtual interior design has made interior design more accessible, affordable, and exciting than ever before. So if you think you may be interested in virtual interior design for your home, go to our website at dcdouglasinteriors.com, go to the contact page, fill out the questionnaire, and that will start the ball rolling. If you want to see the pricing for it, you can go to our website and look at our services page. After that, we schedule a discovery call session and off we go to the races. It's really not hard and it's really quite fun. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So to close, I want to send blessings to you and your family. And as our verse for this episode says, be strong and courageous in everything going on. The Lord is with you everywhere you go. Ask him even if he's there, and listen for that still small voice. And I pray that the Lord is with you, delighting and rejoicing over you with singing this week too. Now stop dreaming, start designing your luxury home and within your budget. Blessings, and see you next episode. If you're struggling to design or improve the interior of your home that mirrors your amazing self and within your budget, make sure to reach out. Email me at sherry@dcdouglasinteriors.com. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Blessings until next time.